Here we are today over at what's called Morrison Springs. It's located near Ponce de Leon, Florida, in Walton County. Here we are doing a flyover with the drone, checking out the beautiful scenery of this spring. Spring stays approximately 68 degrees year-round. It's just a beautiful spring, beautiful area that you can swim and fish in, and it does not require a fee to get in. The water is just really beautiful here. It's really clear and just really nice to swim in. They also allow cave diving here with proper permits, and you would have to check into that to find out. The spring at Morrison Springs pumps out approximately 48 million gallons of crystal clear water that eventually runs into the Choctawhatchee River. If you look on the right hand side of the screen, you can see the boat ramp that you can put your boats in at as well. This park has a very nice deck built around it out to a floating pier, as well as there is a floating pier that sits out in the middle that you can swim to if you're into that. They also have pavilions, covered pavilions that you can eat at with picnic tables, and for the divers there is places for you to prepare your gear and to clean up your gear, and they do have bathrooms and showers here. Most of the time they're in working order, but they're pretty nice. Also, apparently you should beware of boats according to that sign. This is a very nice park in my opinion. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope I shed a little bit of light on what this park looks like and things that you can do here. And maybe you can come here sometime and check it out for yourself. If you like this video, I'd really appreciate a subscription and a thumbs up. And come back and watch some more.